From CII, serious, sincere appreciation for Madam Chief Minister. Under your guidance and leadership, we are fighting the two dual challenges, COVID and YAS. मैम एक तो अपडेट करना चाहते हैं on vaccine chambers associations members companies they have started their own private vaccination center for people employees their dependents elders 18 to 44 and 45 and above and वहां पर में जो contract labor काम करते हैं उनको भी कर रहे हैं different companies are doing it मैम बहुत अच्छा support मिल रहा है from health department our permission is given we will continue to do this on COVID related thing मैम beneficiary किया है सॉल्ट लेक में और मार्केट्स के अंदर में सैनिटाइजेशन ड्राइव more and more we will do that because idea is now sanitization as well as telling people to come for vaccination lot of people are not coming for vaccination madam hesitancy হচ্ছে hesitation को remove करने के लिए
আপনাদের বোঝাতে হবে দরকার হলে হেলথ ডিপার্টমেন্টকে বলুন বা কর্পোরেশনকে বলুন তারা কোঅর্ডিনেট করে দেবে
right ma'am we are in touch with that and last yes madam 4 districts may we have gone with the relief work 4 districts which are badly affected वहां पर में tarpaulin relief work anaj materials for 2 to 3,000 families in each of the areas companies which are there member companies which are there they are trying to move in there I'm only 1 or 2 requests from our side wherever the material has to move for the relief work at that point in time we need some permissions we will talk to the local DMs and get that and the second thing madam is material movement permission is there but unloading कराने के लिए at the retail shops wherever labor का permission थोड़ा सा मिलना होने से अच्छा है we are trying for that also because with your permissions which have come in and the latest relaxation allowing 3 or 4 industries to work can start but some of the material loading will have to happen so that is our only 2 requests from my side otherwise the chambers CI is standing behind and we will give all the support in all the 3 areas. Dhanyawad, ma'am.
I appreciate the industries are spending lots of money for the infrastructural facilities. Also, they are spending for oxygen to this COVID pandemic, the other beds and hospitals. They are helping. Even cyclone affected area, what Mr. Vish Gupta had said, we appreciate that. But only thing is, sometimes you people also give relief. We are also giving relief. So somebody is getting too much and somebody is getting zero. That's why I think it will be better if you can collect the money together and give it to the this disaster relief fund or whatever we said, the chief minister relief fund. Then at least we know that which of the area is neglected or which of the area has not yet received any relief. So for them we are also working because you know that government is to give the financial help to them also. More than 20,000 crores we have to help them. So I think if you think that 4-5 industries, your chambers, you can work out together and you can extend your cooperation instead of distributing the relief from your own. If you give it to the state government, then state government can disburse wherever it is required or the necessary. That I think I will tell especially the CII, FICCI, ICC, Bengal chambers, these merchant chambers, five Calcutta chambers, these Oriental chambers, these 5-6 chambers. If you take the lead and do that, sit together and decide and do that, then at least there won't be that sometimes somebody is getting too much, somebody is not getting anything. So there we can work together as a family. And there also your 5-6 chambers, you can coordinate all the chambers. And then you can coordinate with the chief secretary, and there you can take the advice of the chief secretary. Under the chief secretary, we can set up a committee. That committee, the chambers, 5-6 chambers, please give the name. I think it will be better. Rajiv Sinha, I think that CII, FICCI, ICC, Bengal Chamber, Merchant Chamber of Commerce, Calcutta Chamber, Bharat Chamber, Oriental Chamber, and this SOCM, Bengal National Chambers, CREDAI. This, I think this may be 15. This may be 15. So 15 you can set up a committee, and the others, they will be associated member also, so they can give their opinion or whatever they want to give their suggestion. Then I think it will be okay. You can give your suggestion also for that.
धन्यवाद।
Vicky, Rudro,